Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Bitcoin and Ethereum 15-minute and 25-minute Dominator and DMT update. That's a bit of a mouthful, wasn't it? But yeah, so basically it's our indicator update for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So yeah, we've got some action going on here. The 25-minute Dominator trade that I was in has actually has done well for a change. I had the bots on, took the trade, and took a 2% profit or 1.99% profit on that trade. The DMT bot I've still actually got turned off, but it has currently taken a short trade as well, pretty much at the exact price that we're at now. It's this line just here, this dotted line, which is literally the price right now, 6,188. My DMT bot is off, but I did mention to you guys I was working a short position. I was currently short what is an average price of 6,400. So rather than have the DMT account on, I basically just took that short. Well, what I did was I had orders when we were rallying here. I all had orders broke into 4 parts, so 325% parts, for 6,250, 6,350, 6,450 and 6,550. So that left me an average price of 6,400. I did take off at 6,400 because it wasn't certain where we were going to go. I took 25% of that position off, and I have subsequently added at over, I think it was about 6,000, in the mid 6,200s. I did add on another 25% and then another 25%, or what would be the 25% amount. So I'm actually short now from that level, with a 1.25 times position size. So yeah, so that was partly why I did take off the Dominator trade a bit early. I mean, I was happy to let it run, but I was just going to short the extra BTC in the other account that we've got on here anyway. So yeah, so I explain that to you. So Dominator trade was a good one. I can show you on here. Dominator trade on here. Here we go. So there it is, there's a Dominator trade, 2%, and yeah, DMT is off. So if we go over to the Ethereum's still not taking the sell trade yet, although it did take the sell Dominator at a pretty much, sorry, this is 15-minute, 25-minute. Yeah, we took the sell, it did flip-flop about a bit, so we had the buy and the sell, and then obviously a sell here, which is doing okay. It was a bit volatile, that price around there. 15-minute Ethereum Dominator, I mean DMT, you can see the sell lines here. So we did break through it, but haven't closed the candle underneath it yet. So that trade isn't activated yet. So yeah, so that's it really for those indicators. Yeah, I mean, looking at the bigger picture, I think I would probably say, here we go, this will do. Say we are probably looking quite weak here. Obviously you guys know that I am short, so that is my inclination on the price. I mean, potential head and shoulders here. Yeah, potential. You sort of can sort of shoulder, head, shoulder. This is the net line, so we're still quite a bit away. I'd say probably the net line's about around 6,000. So I do think if we break 6,000 again, it's pretty much curtains for the time being for Bitcoin, and I think we'll be making our way at least down to about the low 4,000s. So that is what I'm trying to get with this trade. I'm going to try and build this up and stick with it and work around it and see if I can basically get a good short in, because I missed this short, so maybe I'm a bit salty about that. I want to catch the next one. I don't want to miss the next one, so we'll see what happens there. Guys. I've actually done another video today, a really important video. I think it's one of those videos that I think I'll look back and be proud of. I've actually titled it one of my most important video ever. It's about how we are going to get out of this global financial crisis that we're in at the moment. This global crisis, this recession straight depression we're going into. It's basically how we are going to get out of it. The way that I think is what is going to happen. So we'll see. Video's timestamped on YouTube today. I'll put it in the end of this. I'll put it in the end link here. So you'll see it on your screen now. So yeah, remember, not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Always doing your own research, and I will speak to you guys soon.